Now, what is it that you are passionate about? What is it that you are passionate about? What gets that burning desire in your guts? And then what do you need to do to make it happen? Think about that. What do you need to do to make it happen? And then what's stopping you? What are those barriers that are being put up to stop you from pursuing your passion? And it's very similar to the previous speakers today. Passion, break down the barriers, and drive forward. And so without you guys, again, as I mentioned before, the Cotton On Foundation wouldn't be what it is today. But the inspiring thing is, I look around this room and I see future leaders, future change makers. So for me, thank you. I really do appreciate your time and just being able to share a little bit about the story of Cotton On Foundation.